Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. We are going to learn how to create equation editor on Microsoft Word. So the shortcut key is Alt equal to. So when you put that on, it comes up by itself. So let's say for example, I'm typing P, then subscript, which is underscore. Underscore is shift this, then 1. So by the time I press 1, can you see it became a subscript. So yeah, on this interface, you can use all of this, basic math symbol. You can as well toggle here to go to Greek, Latin, yada yada. This is for your subsets. So also if you have a fraction in your equation, so here it is, you click on this fraction, then it's here already. So all I have to do is press 1, then come down here and press 2. So that's that. Then the other equations, just play around, you get to find whatever it is you're looking for. So this is all of integrals and large operations, subscript, large operations again. So also you can apply this. Integrals.